What's up guys? It's been a while since nakapag-vlog kami. Sama si, Benok. So lately guys, we've been doing we just came across problems that, it was gonna come regardless, diba? So, big shoutout kay Mami Myla kasi nga tinuruan kami. So guys, we've been taking care of
Audit.
yung audit namin, yung accounting and stuff. So medyo nag-shopping kami ng mga mga resibo and stuff like that kasi nagkakawala na kami ng pera.
Actually, hindi nawawala.
Sumusobra. So nagkaroon kami ng problem where kinalculate namin yung expense versus yung money coming in sa amin and then sa bangko namin. Sobra-sobrang pera namin. So hindi namin alam bakit ganon. So now, moving forward, na kami, lahat ng expense namin, basta everything we spend is recorded na. So, ito yung parang pinaka, namin. So, ito, sasayin ko lang.
Tapos meron kami 2 witness na gumastos kami ng gatong amount. Yun ang pinaka-important.
So lately na-realize namin gaano ka-important yung accounting sa business, running a business. Kasi last thing we want is di ba, yung we would have to argue about sa mga sa pera namin, gastos and stuff like that. So yeah. So sa mga starting out dyan guys, make sure you guys have your accounting on point kasi nga, at least you guys know, you can track yung yung progress nyo, yung loss versus profit and stuff like that. So like as we go on, we always, we're learning pa rin. And this is new to us din talaga. It's a lot of work for sure, pero it's good, yeah. So this is one of those things na diba, we always talk about yung parang yung good problems that comes in the business, diba? So there's always like we expect problems, but this is one of the good problems that we have kasi nga at least nag-show up tong problem na to, that means we learn in the process. So yeah. Ba?
Yep. And also, like, nakikita natin yung improving ng business natin.
Yeah. So yeah, big shoutout sa lahat ng sumusuporta guys. Yeah. It's been fun honestly.
Fun lang. Stress.
It's been stressful and fun at the same time kasi we know that there's a progress sa ginagawa namin. And it's very unexpected and so yeah.
There's more coming for sure.
Yeah. Tara na. Ayan, meron na kaming binder, monthly binders, resibo, work orders. Ano pa ba?
Yeah.
Ano pa ba yung shinaping natin? Oh yeah guys, by the way, we have good stuff coming.
Oh yeah,
So,
it's gonna be unlimited na kami.
yeah. Tsaka we've been very busy guys kasi nga it's just so much napabayaan na yung podcast. Not because we're slacking kasi we're so busy lately. Pero yeah, we have a major upgrade coming and what else?
On May 10, we have
Oh, yeah, guys. May 10, we have a big event coming. Isa kami sa major sponsors there. It's for fundraising then. And I'm sure you guys seen the posts and stuff like that. So, yeah.
resibo.
Yeah.
Hindi ko na papakita sa inyo kung ano. Order. Keeping
So, yeah.
Ano ba? Ito, hindi ko pa to alam kung paano.
Teka lang, yung binili natin kahapon, yung upgrades namin.
Ayun, mga pala.
Ayun, diba? Oh, yan.
Ayun, ayun na lang.
Ito lang yung major.
Medyo na lang.
Iyo. Medyo mahal to guys ha.
Ito,
Total 717. Ah.
Ito sinabi pa yung total.
Siyempre para ano.
Kung sa iba, mura na yun. Sa amin, napakamahal.
Okay. Pirma. Ayan guys, ultimo $1. We know where it's going. So oh! Di pwede.
Pwede.
Pati yung isulat lang din natin yung kunyari. Basta kahit anong lahat ng action natin, kunyari namigay tayo ng shirts. Sulat din natin sa work order, pero walang resibo.
Walang
yun.
resibo. Work order ito.
Pag may pera involved, lagi dapat may resibo.
Oo. Basta anything lost natin. Tapos itong job work order na to.
Dito yung details.
Yeah, ito ang details.
Ito dapat talaga bayad o hindi, kanino, and
Sabi natin yung free shirts. So at least alam natin anong magiging loss natin.
tapos yung
Pupunta
isa, monthly. We have to always sit down. So at least may monthly meeting na tayo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Na talagang meeting lang.
Meeting na.
Siguro, yeah, end of the month. Lagi. At least kahit, basta end of the month. Yun ang pinaka, save the day natin. For meeting.
Yeah, end of the month. Yeah.
Tapos, ito nga, ang gusto ko rin matutunan is yung sa restocking natin.
Inventory natin.
Ito.
Kasi para matatrack natin.
I think though, dito sa damit natin dito.
Hindi kailangan pa natin ng isang libro or isang
Yeah, I think so.
isang file na
Kung ano yung
end of the
kinuha,
month din. Kunyari, end of the month.
kung ilan ang lumabas na shirt.
Ilan na lumabas na shirts, ilan tayo nag-restock. Yeah.
And also, kailangan natin ma-compute kung magkano.
Para malalaman natin kung sino din ako ng shirt. Kung sino namimigay. So guys, merong issue before na di ba yung parang ako kukuha ako, tapos bigla mong sinabi, wag mo nang bayaran kasi namigay din pala kami.
Hindi naman namigay. Ang binigyan namin, mga asawa namin.
Tapos ako bibiling ko. Kasi guys,
Oy, mas mahal naman yung sa'yo.
so guys, so yung mga inaano namin, binibili rin talaga namin. Kailangan, unless it's parang justifiable.
Yes, firework. Sabi kasi bigla ako sinabi sa kanya, "Dog mo nang bayaran." Sabi niya, "Bakit?" Eh, di ba, nagpagawa si Worshipful ng t-shirt. Si PJ gumawa na rin.
So,